So in front of me here is a brand new system from Boss Game called the P1. It's under their new Effizen series of mini PCs. It's definitely a weird name for it, but I get what they're going for in that this chip is actually extremely efficient. Now, if you're curious who exactly Boss Game is, you really just need to flip over the box and read the manufacturer here to kind of understand who it is. Now, this Shenzhen-based company name here, you might not know it, or you might know it by its colloquial name. Actually, the owners of the B-Link brand, and they are an OEM, which means that other companies can go to them and have them manufacture systems for them using their already existing designs, most of the time slightly modified. Now, I'm not 100% sure if Boss Game is its own separate company or if it's owned by AZW, as they do have multiple sub-brands. B-Link being their main one, but they also do have Trig-Key. And I'm pretty positive that this Boss Game company is also a part of that umbrella corporation. And when you look at the design of the P1, it is strikingly similar to the Sur 5. But this system itself is not actually just a rebadged Sur 5, because it actually has a very good feature. It includes 2.5 gigabit LAN, and the configuration that I have comes with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1TB SSD. This all paired with that 5700U makes this a really effective home server system. So let's jump in and actually take a look at some of the performance numbers that it has, because there is a lot of power in a very small package here.